Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Google account that controls your YouTube channel. Make sure you use the account email shown in YouTube Studio. Once signed in, gather your phone or any backup codes. You will need to verify identity before changing security. Now navigate to Google account, then tap Security and select two-step verification. This screen shows active methods. You're initiating a security change, so stay attentive, and do not close the browser during verification. Once on the two-step verification page, you must authenticate with the active method. Enter the code, approve the prompt, or use a backup code. This confirms it's you. After authentication, find the option labeled Turn Off or Disable Two-Step Verification and click it. Google will ask why and remind you of risks. Confirm the decision by entering your account password when prompted. Make sure to read the warning. It protects your channel from unauthorized access. You finish by verifying that two-step verification now reads disabled on the security page. Sign out and sign back in to confirm the change took effect. If you cannot disable because you lack access to the verification method, immediately use Account Recovery or one of your backup codes. These regain control. Make sure to set a new secure method if you still want extra protection. Tip: clear cache or try a different browser if the page doesn't update. This often resolves display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.